Hi guys, so it's Monday the 16th. I don't know what time it is, but I'm going to eat breakfast now. Whatever time it is. Shit. It's it's 1:45 and I'm about to eat breakfast. Me not even done cook. I'm waiting on my cousin to come over, so you get to meet her. We not really do nothing today. We are workouts and I'm gonna film one video, and I want video where you guys are gonna love. Oh guys, my neighbor them still have construction going, and like me so annoyed.
They're disrespectful.
Me really annoyed because me work at night. Why you take so long to come up the stairs? Watch out! This fool. Hey! Come introduce yourself. Come.
No, we can't. Man, what are we? So we're here doing stuff, not effing things up. I don't know. We're trying to, have a wholesome 2017. She's there. I'm here. Hey guys.
So guys, we're here doing a video. Well, I'm doing a video. JayJay's.
That's how we always say, no? Yeah, so guys, we're here doing a video. Well,
That's true.
Hey bitches. Oh, sorry. Jesus Christ. I apologize. We're trying to build a relationship with you guys, and I'm deeply sorry.
Yeah, so we're just chilling and watching Nizam do our video.
Is that free? Strawberry Fields?
Yeah, so she can't talk.
No, like I'm asking you.
Oh, me? No. But you told me that I gotta tell her so if you say hi. And she can't talk. Hey guys. So I'm just take off my makeup. I'm going to work out now. And my cab is here. So when did you plan for them say reach? Yeah, so we're about to go work out. I actually did missy, but I really need to start eat properly right now. My face look awful again. We're walking to the gas station. Wow. To get chaser. Because we're a bunch of alcoholics. Yeah, we're gonna get chaser. I'm pretty sure they're not hear you over this house. But yeah, we're gonna get chaser because we have rum but no chaser. Yeah, I'm on hot dog because hot. A long time we don't walk like this. Not true. That Sonia just make me hungry. Talk to me now and make you a beer attitude.
Me in a class today and my teacher say why most are we so miserable. Young people so miserable because we don't go to nice sun. Like she said, we always in our dark, we lock up in our house, we don't go to nice sun, so we always cranky. But me say about the sun make me cranky, what?
Yeah, cause when you see me in the sun, my face don't make up because of the sun.
Exactly.
So guys,
I didn't realize you didn't get your change. I can't steal.
oh. So guys, we really never make it a gas station because that's the way the sun set up. No. So we just buy juice and plant chips. Because me not burn up today. Yeah, as me there, so me can't manage the ultraviolet rays here today. So
I'm gonna just head back over my house and go to pool or something. Because bruh, oh, I need to wash my hair today after my go to pool. My hair really want wash because from me take out the weave, me not wash my hair. But me dey busy. I've been busy. And guys, me start freaking driving lessons tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow?
I like my borrow your speaker. Sorry I had to see it on the... Why me keep on the gram?
And the vlog.
Yes.
Somebody can buy me some hips. No?
Alright, I'm not even gonna show you down this because no bigger things are going to this one. I'm not even gonna show you.
Turn around. Like, me want that. Who can buy me? Uh-oh. That, what she have. Me want it. Me want
So guys, we have a liquor. We have rum cream. White rum. Because I just want one of them day there, you know? Just one of them day there when I just want to drink and get drunk.
I don't know what to get drunk for.
Yeah, I don't know what to get drunk for, but I want to be like, you know? So guys, I just wanted to come on here and like tell you that we really appreciate the love on the vlogs, and we'll definitely be vlogging more because we realize that you guys like the vlogs more than the actual content. What happened? But
We're just loving our people life.
but
How are they blood clotly? How are they?
no, but it's swim and go away. But you know, we still appreciate it, and we do hope you guys watch our content videos because you know that is what we
Love to do.
yes. But yeah, so thanks again, and we hope you continue to watch us, and you know, you can follow us on Instagram and Snapchat too. Everything guys is always left in the description bar, so if you want to find any information, it's right down there. I always leave stuff in there that like frequently asked questions and stuff like that. Who are you guys? Who I are? Huh? Supposed to drop DJ? Guys, we can't swim, you know? No, we still can't swim. We just scruff.
Can you believe that? One entire summer of swimming and we still can't swim.
We it just tough.
Watch a girl, hey, every girl know. Badam diggy diggy diggy, every girl know. Ding ding ding, every girl. Tic toc, tic toc, tic toc like you dey on the oh. Tic toc, oh, tic toc, oh.
Hey guys, today's Wednesday and we haven't vlogged all day just because we had shit going on today. Did my first driving lesson today. It was pretty good and the instructor made me feel like really comfortable, so that's a good thing. I'm about to work out, so well, I'm waiting on the other people to come. I have like half an hour. I'm pretty early. What else? Yeah, and hopefully we can get Jutina to come on me out tomorrow because like I need her to fix my wig because she make one wig for me, Zine, and like me take it for her too early, I guess.
because she never done. But me did really want to wear it for the Bad and Bougie OOTD. That's the same wig. But that's why I did wear one hat in the OOTD, just because the wig never done. But me really like the hair. I did really want to wear the hair. So I take it from her and put on a hat. Yeah. So none of the situation here with the show, cause the lace one cut off and what else? Maybe it one plug. I don't know if she plug it already or whatever. And stuff. So hopefully she come by my house tomorrow and we can sort out that so we can actually wear the wig properly instead of putting on a hat over it.
So guys, it's Thursday, the 19th, I think. Yeah, the 19th. It's like 3 o'clock now. Not doing much. I went to school today. Then come back and try to fix my phone. Guys, me not have no phone. My phone mash up. Long story. But yeah, I'm just home chilling. I'm about to go sleep because I'm very tired. Nisam is getting ready to go driving lessons. And then after, I think later we're going to work out. So yeah, that's it basically. I'm not doing much today, but if we do end up doing something exciting or whatever, I'll just check back in with you guys. So yeah.
Say all you want, just stay. Say all you want, just stay. Say all you want, just stay. Why you got it all? You just need a warm body. I'll be your install. I just need you warm body. Everybody knows they just need to talk about it. Stay this way. Hit replay to 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 stay this way. Hit replay.
So it's Friday, the 20th, 10 o'clock. I'm about to go run some errands on the road. So guys, we want to prank Alec today with the balloon prank. So hopefully that works out. So we'll take you through the process. We'll take you through the process of that. I really hope it works out. May I pray forget like 200 balloons or whatever and blow them up and shit and just put them in a room. Anyways, hopefully we can find some balloons like the packs, and hopefully them not too expensive either. Yeah. I know him stay up late last night, so I know him really tired, so I'm probably gonna be like really pissed. But let's see. I hope you guys are having a good day. And yeah, I'm going to run some errands. I'm going to New Kingston, and I have driving lessons this evening too. Guys, me really not like leave me out, you know, like this really stress me out. So I have to be on the road so much. But me really not like leave my house. So guys, I am back home. Thank God. Thank you, God. I got the balloons. I got like 150, but I feel like I'm gonna need more. So if I do need more, I'm gonna go back on the road and get those. Cause I have driving lessons later, so I'm gonna end up go back on the road. I may have to go supermarket. So yeah. So I'm gonna start blow up them something here. I wait for my cousin to come help me. DJ gone to school. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. My idol though. I feel like my idol as God know. Yeah, so
I go blow up them something here. You can imagine we're gonna blow up 150 balloon with the mouth? Like that possible? Anyways, let's see how that goes. After 200 balloons, that's where we are. I'm about 6 bars. Yeah, so we're doing like some more, and we're gonna try to get some more on the road. So yeah, 200 balloon. Look at it though. Yeah, guys. Sorry, Alec. So guys, can you believe that my cousin, she just texted me singing and say Alec come home early, so I'm not to buy no more balloon. After my plan to buy more balloon, you know. Yes, I'm in the supermarket right now and I try to get some stuff.
Say never work.
Yeah.
Say fail. Epic fail. Like Alec just come home like what? Just or alone.
Alec, me hate you.
Me only see Alec walk through the door. Me and JayJay like well, anyways, we're here chilling. Me do some schoolwork. Nizam and JayJay. JayJay. Hold this.
Hey.
I don't like that. I don't like that. No.
Waiting on Jitina to come over and join the fun. What fun?
What?
Me ear get long though. And they see me look like me just bust the jail door. What's good? What's good, son?
What's good, son?
Like honestly, that cat they not even understand what me stress out over here. But just I try all it together, you know. God know, but like me honestly want to cry. To how me really stress out right now. Like me really stress out, guys.
So guys, sorry for this vlog. I know it's not that exciting like the first two.
But a real life, and we never really do nothing this week, so I will show you our life. So
We're not so fun all the time, trust me.
we have real life shit to do, which is not exciting all the times.
Yeah.
So
If you want
JayJay?
tutoring services,
Yes. So if you want to hold on, if you want to get tutored in math, social studies,
tell them
Not
how.
English though, because she can't spell. No,
English.
she can't spell. You know you're here.
What?
You. Is it? What you say?
You're on your.
Your.
Yes.
It's
Oh, you
joke,
never
I'm-
text you?
Yes.
That's just how I text nigga. That's just what it.
I was W-U-Z.
I'm very able to spell. So okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so if I want to get two
Double
times
A's.
more-
Any subject, should we learn here? Go teach you back. Hit my girl up.
Hit her up.
You know, I go so.
Link in the description
No.
bar.
Want it
No,
more.
guys, but for
No,
real,
for
like,
real,
be
like, we're serious.
Yeah, baby.
She helped me pass maths.
She helped
Highest in the class.
correctly.
I'm a very mathematically disabled. Ready?
You know you're a good cousin and I loved you and peace out, nigga. Die happy.
Bitch. Miss, I'm not hurt. Why is she have so much fun? Jesus! Where the This I'm supposed to did broke your neck. Oh my god. Me so over you. Me
You're
over
fucking
you.
insane.
Yeah, I mean, I think I see when you not blow like that.
Can you get the fuck up?
I don't want to get.
You don't want to get up?
She stressed the fuck out, can you hear?
Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? This is what we have to deal with on a daily basis. This is her.
Hold on, I think need to Snapchat.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your women if it's fine yet. It's your women if it's fine yet. You got a big, let me search it. To find out how hard I gotta work, yeah. It's your women if it's fine yet. It's your women if it's fine yet.
Fuck it. Fuck it.